Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you why I recently joined LiveGood. Now if you haven't heard of LiveGood, it's a subscription-based supplement company. Alright, you pay $9.95 a month. That's it. And you get access to high quality products at a very, very affordable price. Now here's the real cool thing why I like LiveGood. One of the reasons why I like LiveGood, because whenever you're looking at their products, right, you can see the price, you can see the membership price, you can see the retail price, but what's even sweeter than that, they actually give you product comparisons to other products on the market so you can see the true savings that you get as a LiveGood member. Alright, now another cool thing about LiveGood is they actually have a business opportunity where they allow its members to earn extra money. Now this is a real cool opportunity, but on this channel I'm going to focus on the products, right? Because this is my fitness channel. Now on my other channel I talk more about the business opportunity that LiveGood has. Alright, so I'm super excited because a couple days ago I put my first order in and I got the product called E3, Energy, Endurance, and Electrolytes. This is pretty much a pre-workout drink. I know some people use it for like a morning pick-me-up. Some people use it pre-workout, intra-workout, even post-workout, right? So with me, I'm probably gonna sip on it during a workout, right? That's usually when I drink stuff like that. So I'm super excited about that. Of course, soon as it come in, I'm gonna do a video on it, give you the details, how it tastes, you know, did it do anything. But LiveGood is on fire right now. If you are somebody who is really into supplements, really into health and wellness, or if you are somebody who looking for a way to earn some extra money and want to do it in the health and wellness industry, you definitely want to check out LiveGood. So if you just want to check out the products and see how they stack up against other products, or if you want to check out the business opportunity that LiveGood offers, I'll put both links in the description of this video so you can check it out for yourself. But you're going to be seeing a lot more videos from me about LiveGood, and I can't wait. So be sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.